In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to work on. From the left-hand navigation, open the Pages panel so you can see your site structure and quickly move between the areas you'll use while setting up your tabs. Open your home page to make sure you're editing the right place. With the page selected, head into your site's advanced settings so you can add the styling that will power your tabs. Open Custom Code, then go into Custom CSS. This is where we'll add the small piece of styling you'll reference for your active tab state and overall tab look and feel. Click inside the CSS editor to place your cursor and type the word Highlight. This can serve as a simple label or class name you'll use to target the active tab style later, keeping your work organized. Using Custom CSS is helpful because it centralizes the visual rules for your tabs, and you can update the look across the site in one place without touching each page. If you work with more than one site in your account, make sure you're editing the correct one. Select the site you're actively building. If you see one labeled as a new or test site, choose that as needed so your changes apply in the right place. Then navigate back to your home page to continue. Save your changes to lock in the CSS you just added. After saving, click the highlight entry you typed to confirm it's there and that the editor shows no errors. Now, move to your blog page to preview how your tabs and highlight style will carry across different page types. Open the Pages panel again so you can switch around easily, then go to your portfolio page to check consistency. Finally, return to your home page to verify everything looks as expected in the place visitors see first. A quick recap. You opened your site, went into Pages, selected your home page, and added your styling via Custom Code and Custom CSS. You created a highlight reference to manage active tab visuals, saved your work, and verified how it appears across blog, portfolio, and back on home. Pro tips as you refine. Keep your CSS concise so tabs remain fast and accessible. Preview on mobile to ensure tabs are easy to tap. And if you ever want to revert, simply remove or adjust the highlight styling in Custom CSS. When you're happy with the look, you're ready to publish confidently.